Imagine you're standing on a desolate, rocky planet. The sky is a swirling, vibrant canvas of stars. You look up, and there it is, a sleek, gleaming spaceship hovering above you. It's a marvel of technology, capable of traversing the vast expanse of space. But how does it actually work? It all starts with a powerful rocket engine. These engines generate immense thrust by expelling hot gases at high speeds. This force propels the spaceship upwards, overcoming the Earth's gravity. As the spaceship climbs higher, the atmosphere becomes thinner, reducing air resistance. This allows the rocket to accelerate faster and faster until it reaches escape velocity. Once a spaceship has reached escape velocity, it can enter orbit around a celestial body. This involves adjusting its speed and direction to match the body's gravitational pull. In orbit, the spaceship is constantly falling towards the planet, but its forward motion keeps it from crashing. This delicate balance allows it to stay in space for extended periods. Traveling through space requires precise navigation. Spaceships use a combination of stars, planets, and satellites to determine their location. Gyroscopes and accelerometers help maintain orientation. Advanced computer systems process data from various instruments to calculate the spaceship's trajectory and make necessary adjustments. Spaceships need a reliable source of power to operate their systems and engines. Solar panels are often used to harness energy from the sun, while nuclear reactors can provide a more powerful and long-lasting energy source. Propulsion systems vary depending on the mission. Chemical rockets are used for initial liftoff, while ion engines and solar sails are more efficient for long-distance travel. Spaceships must create a habitable environment for their crew. This includes maintaining a stable temperature, humidity, and oxygen level. Life support systems also recycle water and waste to conserve resources. Additionally, radiation shielding is essential to protect astronauts from harmful cosmic rays. Staying connected with Earth is crucial for space missions. Spaceships use radio waves to transmit data and communicate with ground control. Antennas and powerful transmitters are necessary to overcome the vast distances involved. Advanced communication technologies, such as laser communication, offer even higher data transfer rates. Returning to Earth requires a controlled descent. Spaceships often use parachutes or heat shields to slow their speed and protect them from the intense heat of atmospheric re-entry. Retro-rockets can be used to make a more precise landing. Once the spaceship has safely landed, it can be recovered and its data analyzed. Spaceships are incredible feats of engineering that allow us to explore the cosmos. From the initial launch to the return home, every aspect of a space mission is carefully planned and executed. With ongoing advancements in technology, we can expect even more ambitious space exploration in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.